What is a histogram in statistics? Whether you need good help, a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data wizard, Intudo4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. Hey everyone! Welcome to Intudo4U, the place where we make learning statistics simple and fun. Today, I'm going to explain what a histogram is in statistics with a real example, so by the end of this video, you'll be able to create and understand histograms like a pro. A histogram is a type of graph that shows how data is spread across ranges of values, also called bins. It tells us how many data points fall within each range. In simple words, a histogram answers this question: how often does a certain value or range appear in my data? Let's say we collected the exam scores of 50 students. The scores range from 10 to 100. Step 1. Divide the scores into intervals, for example, 0 to 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60, 61 to 80, and 81 to 100. Step 2. Count how many students scored in each range. 0 to 25 students. 21 to 48 students. 41 to 60 15 students. 61 to 80 12 students. 81 to 110 students. Step 3. Plot these frequencies as bars. Now, if you look at the histogram, you'll instantly see that most students scored between 30 and 35 marks, because that bar is the tallest. 3 things make a histogram unique: bins, ranges, continuous intervals, not categories. Frequency, number of data points in each bin. Bars touch each other, because the data is continuous. This is what makes histograms different from bar charts, where bars usually have gaps. Histograms are super useful because they help you understand the distribution of your data, identify patterns like normal or skewed distribution, spot outliers quickly. That's why histograms are used in statistics, data science, business, and research. You can create histograms easily in Excel, SPSS, Origin, or even online tools. And if you want ready-made Excel templates and tutorials, check out Intudo4U.com. We've got you covered with practical tools for your research journey. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy lessons in statistics. Thanks for watching.